Dear friends, now let's have reading of newspaper of 12th June 2024. First news is Mohan Manji, BJP tribal face pick as Odisha's chief minister. The four-time MLA of Keonjhar was party's chief whip earlier. BJP stake claim to form government for the first time in the state. KV Singh Dio, six-time MLA from Patnagar, and Parvati Preda, first-time MLA of Nimapara, to be deputy chief minister. Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi to take over as army chief. The union government on Tuesday announced that the appointment of Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi as next chief of army staff. The government has appointed Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi, presently serving as Vice Chief of Army Staff, the next Chief of Army Staff, with effect from the June 30, 2024. UNSC endorsed resolution to end war on Gaza. IISc developed method to remove heavy metal contamination from the groundwater. This is a constructive news for the environment development. Back as External Affairs Minister, Jaishankar signals business as usual for foreign policy. Agnipath modernization key issue as Rajnath set for second tenure. 2 Indian recruited by Russian army killed in Ukraine war. Government. As SC allow counseling seek anti-response on NEET paper leak. Will work faster to double income of farmers, say Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Fund crunch faced by TB patients. Mass treatment program study. New portable atomic clock offer a very accurate timekeeping at sea. Researchers have built a portable optical atomic clock that can be used on board ships. While it trades some accuracy for seas and robustness, it was still more accurate than other vessels' borne timekeeping option. According to the researcher, it is most performant optical clock at sea. UN declared 2025 the year of quantum science. India's looming financial crisis. The social science, a shelter for the excluded student. Continuity, stability. BJP has kept important portfolio for itself despite the new reality. No ban on book or film can be justified in the nature of upholding order. Arrest agencies and criminal courts. The Supreme Court recently delivered whose significant judgment that impact the liberty of people accused of criminal offences. Bihar called for special category status. Impact of Oriental despotism and the idea of otherness. Apple AI push could reinvigorate iPhone sales as consumer eye upgrade. Vietnam eyes greener power but bank on coal to avert blackout. Hunter Biden convicted of the all 3 charges in the gun case. The ruling marked the first time the child of a sitting US president is criminally prosecuted. President Biden says he will continue to respect the judicial process as son consider an appeal. US lift ban on sending weapon to controversial Kyiv military unit. US has lifted ban on American weapon and training to the Azov Brigade, a controversial Ukrainian military unit that was key to defense of the major port city of Mariupol. The Azov Brigade has been dogged by fighters linked to the far-right circle and also criticism for some of its tactics. Russians say its troops captured 2 more eastern Ukrainian villages. 4 American college instructors stabbed in northeastern China. 49 migrants dead after boat sink off Yemen coast, say UN agency. Horrified by the plight of plantations workers in Sri Lanka, say tribunal. Plantation workers of Sri Lanka have for long demanding fair wage. Israeli troop and the Palestine armed group committed war crime, UN. German far right and far left MPs boycott Zelensky's speech on Russia. Gloom conservative in UK try to shift the mood with promise as poll near. Taiwan set up security after former Chinese Navy captain illegally entered its territory. Sri Lankan veteran soldiers dove into fighting war for Russia and Ukraine. That's from my side, friend. Jai Hind. See you soon.